My dear students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. This is Ghulam Mustafa, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College. Welcome to today's virtual class. Today I am going to discuss Higher Mathematics exercise 8.1. If you watch this video attentively, I hope you will be very beneficial. Let's start. This is question number 8 from exercise 8.1. The question is, the arc joining Teknaf with Tetulia subtends an angle of 10 degrees 6 minutes 3 seconds at the center of the earth. Taking the earth to be a sphere of radius 6440 km, find the distance of Tetulia and Teknaf. According to this question, by using these two information, we have to identify the distance between Tetulia and Teknaf. Now follow the solution process. At first, imagine this is an earth where imagine this is a center, and in this earth mark this as a Teknaf. Imagine this is a point of Teknaf and this is the point of Tetulia. So the distance Teknaf to Tetulia, this is the arc distance S in this earth. Okay, and subtended angle on the earth theta, and here the angle is 10 degree 6 minute 3 second. Okay, but we already know in the circular system we have to use the angle as a radian unit, but here the angle is in degree unit. Okay, so at first we have to convert this as radian. Okay, then we can easily find out the distance between Tetulia and Teknaf. Now follow the solution process. At first write down the given part, the angle theta. So we can write given the angle theta equal to 10 degree 6 minute and then 3 second. Already you have to know how to convert this as a radian. Okay, now follow me. At first 10 degree 6 and 3 divided by 60, because we already know 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So if we divide by 60 in a second, then this convert as a minute. Okay, so we can write this. These two are minute unit, so we can write here only minute, and the side note is 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Okay, now again we can write by using the simple calculation here. See that 10 degree 3 divided by 60, that means 1 by 20. So you can write 6 1 by 20 and then minute. Okay, so by simple calculation 6 into 20 plus 1, that means 121, and then divided by 20, and this is this degree and this is minute. Okay, now again if we divide 60 in minute, this convert as a degree. So again 10 60 into 20, this term divided by 60, so this minute convert as a degree. Okay, and the side note 1 degree equal to 60 minute. Okay, now again by simple calculation here, see that we can write this as 60 into 20, that means 1200. So 10 into 1200 and then plus 121 by using the calculation 1200 into 10 and then plus 121. So here 121 and 21, and this is degree. Okay, now we already know 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian. So we can easily convert this as a radian. So we can write 1200 1 2121 into pi by 180 radian. Okay, because we know 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian. Okay, now by simple calculation we can write this as 1200 into 180, 1200 into 180. So this is 21600, and then in numerator 00 and 12121 pi and radian. So this is convert as a radian unit. Now we have to identify the distance between Tetulia and Teknaf. So we can write distance. Now here we can write distance between Teknaf, Tetulia and Teknaf. Tetulia and Teknaf, and this is arc distance here, distance between Tetulia and Teknaf S. So we know arc distance S equal to r theta. According to question, earth radius 6440. So you can write the earth radius, the value of r 6440, and then theta. The theta is the value 12121 pi divided by 216,000, and the unit as kilometer. Okay, because the unit of radius is kilometer. So the arc distance, that means distance Tetulia to Teknaf, the unit must be as a kilometer. Okay, so now by using calculator we can find the value easily. So by using the calculator, here see that 6440 into 12121 pi, and then divided by 216,000. So the answer is 1135 decimal 325 kilometer. That means the distance between Tetulia and Teknaf is 1135 decimal 325 kilometer. I hope everybody clear. This is our required answer. Question 9. The question is, riding a bicycle, Shahed traverses a segment of a circular path in 11 seconds. The diameter of the circular path is 201 meter and the angle subtended by the segment at the center is 30 degree. Find the Shahed's speed. Okay, so according to question, here imagine this is a circle and this is a circular segment, where imagine this point A and this point B. This is a circular path where Shahed riding by bicycle traverses this segment or this circular path, okay, in 11 seconds. So you can say that Shahed traverses or covered this path in 11 seconds, where the diameter of this circle 201 meter. So we can say that radius equal to 201 divided by 2 meter, okay, because radius is half of diameter. Okay, then subtended angle center is 30 degree. So we can say that here the angle is 30 degree. Okay, now follow the solution process. We have to identify Shahed's speed. Okay, so at first here see that given diameter of the circular path of the circle is 201 meter. So we can say that given given diameter. Diameter equals to 201 meter. So we can say that radius are equal to 201 divided by 2, that means 100.5 meter. And here see that the subtended angle at the center 30 degree. So we can say that angle theta equal to 30 degree. In circular segment, we know we have to measure the angle as a radian. Okay, so we convert this as radian. So we can say that 30 into pi by 180, because we know 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian. So the unit is radian. So we can say that this is 180 and 30, so 6. So pi by 6 radian. Okay. Now we have to identify the circular path, this path distance. Okay. We know the formula of arc length. So we can now write, we know arc length S equal to r theta. We know S equal to r theta. So r, here the radius is 100 and decimal 5. So we can write 100 and decimal 5 into theta. The value theta is pi by 6, and then this is meter, unit is meter. So by using calculator, here see that 100.5 into pi and then divide 6. So 52.62 meter. This is the arc distance. But Shahid, this arc distance covered in 11 seconds. So we can say that the distance covered by Shahid in 11 seconds is 52.62 meter. Here see that in this figure, Shahid, this distance covered in 11 seconds. Okay, so this distance is 52.62. So we can say that the distance covered by Shahid in 11 seconds is 52.62. So again we can write the distance covered by Shahid in 1 second. 1 second is 52.62 divided by 11 meter. So we can say that 52.62 divided by 11, by using calculator, 52.62 divided 11, and that is 4.78. So you can say that 4.78 meter. This is 4.78 meter. That means we have to identify the Shahid's speed. So we can say that in 1 second Shahid, that means in per second, Shahid covered 4.78 meter. Okay, so Shahid speed we can write. So we can write Shahid's speed equal 4.78 meter per second. This is our required answer. Question 13. The question is, a hill subtends an angle of 8 minutes at a point at a distance of 750 km from the foot of the hill. Find the height of the hill. Okay, so follow the solution process. At first, according to this question, imagine this is top point of the hill and this is foot point of the hill. Okay, and according to question, from the foot point of the hill along 750 kilometers, it makes an angle 8 minutes with the hill. Okay, so we can say that suppose this is the foot point of the hill, and along the distance of 750 kilometer, as like that, suppose this is 750 kilometer, it makes an angle 8 minutes along the hill. So this angle is 8 minutes. Okay, suppose top point A and the hill foot point is B. Okay, so here see that along this distance 750 kilometer, the angle is so short. Okay, so if we travel the distance or height of the hill, if we travel whole the distance height of the hill, then it seems like a circular path. Okay, so we can consider, imagine this is an O, so we can consider OB as a radius and AB, that means height of the hill, it's as like a height of this hill. Okay, so now let A be a hill, A be a hill. From the foot point B, from the foot of hill along 750 kilometer, it makes an angle 8 minutes at point O. Okay, so we can consider OB as a radius and the height of hill AB as a arc distance, that means S. Okay, if you travel whole the distance, it seems like a circular path, so we can consider the height of the hill as a arc distance of this circular path. So we can say that here the angle theta is 8 minutes, so write down here. So we can mark this as angle theta is 8 minutes. So we know in the circular system the angle must be as radian unit. Okay, so here we can convert this as a radian, 8 divided by 60 degree. Okay, now 8 by 60 into pi by 180 radian. Okay, we know 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian. So now by next calculation, by using calculator, we can find the 16 to 180 and then divide by 8. Divide by 8 equal to 1350. That means pi divided by 1350 radian. 1350 radian. Okay. Now we have to identify the height of this hill. Height of this hill. So we can say that height of this hill AB is equal to S. So height of hill AB, mark this as S, that means arc distance, equal to r theta. We know the formula of arc distance, S equal to r theta. Okay, now here r equal radius 750 kilometer. According to this question, radius 750 kilometer and theta pi divided by 1350. Pi 1350 and unit must be kilometer. Okay, now again by calculator, by using calculator, 1350 divided by 700 pi divided by 1350. So 750 pi divided by 1350, it's 1.745. Suppose 1.745 kilometer approximate. Okay, 1.745 kilometer, or we can say that this is 1745 meter. Okay, I hope everybody clear. This is the height of this hill, 1745 meter. Okay, this is our required solution. Dear students, if you face any difficulty in this lecture, you may ask me question anytime, or you may contact to your subject teacher. Allah Hafiz.